It's been a hard time, guys. Not that I brush my hair. I'm gonna be traveling in style is all I can say. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing, as you can see by the title, a what I got for Christmas video. I honestly don't know if people want to see these videos anymore. Like, they used to be really popular and it's just like a tradition I've been doing on my channel. Apart from last year, it's like probably one of the only years that I've been on YouTube and I've skipped doing a what I got for Christmas video. So I just kind of want to get back into my tradition because I don't know, I don't even really know why I do this video. It's definitely not to brag, it's just because I know how fun I used to think these videos were to watch. If you guys enjoy this, I'll keep doing these the other years as well, but it's 100% not to brag. And I know Christmas is not about the gifts. If you're not following on my socials, please do. They're up here or here, and also subscribe for weekly videos. So I guess let's just hop on into it. So the first thing that I got, I'm going to show you, is going to be pretty hard to show you, but I'm super grateful, and I got this from my mum. It is a suitcase with 4 wheels, which I love because they're the easiest to carry around in the airport. I hate ones with only 2 wheels. Also, I'm not wearing any foundation right now because I've just done some fake tan, which you probably can't see, but if you're wondering why there's some red spots on my face, that's why. I'm pretty sure it was the medium-sized one, and it's from the brand called Cavalet, which has 78 litres in it, which is going to be perfect, I think. So this is going to be my check-in bag for Aussie. I don't know if I just said that, but I think a lot of you guys know that I'm going to go to Aussie for a few months and just like travel and work and just live there for a few months, which I'm really excited about. So I asked for a hard suitcase, which is what I've got. I'm really happy about that, and it's got like a lock combination here, which is great, and you can undo a zip and make it like even thicker. Thank you so much, Mum, for getting me this. I'm so excited to like start packing my things. I know I'm not going until February, but still, like, please tell me if everyone on YouTube is like done with what I got for Christmas videos and they're not interesting anymore, because then I'll stop doing them. So also from my mum, I got this, which is basically one of those things you use to, I guess, identify your bag, is what I've always thought you use it as, but I guess also so it will stop the bag from opening if it gets unlocked or something. You just put it around your bag, which is a great tip to have if you've got the same coloured suitcase that a lot of people have. Like, everyone has black suitcases almost. This one's really cute. It's just got little cacti on, and it's black and green and pink, so it fits with my suitcase. I'm going to be travelling in style is all I can say. So then I got this little mini hairbrush. We did like the present game, which is a thing in Sweden where you just like swap parcels and you just throw a dice. I don't know, it's the complicated rules. I can't be bothered to explain, but in that game I got this from my little sister. Not that I brush my hair on a daily basis, like I haven't brushed it now because it gets so poofy when I do, but it's perfect for the little mirror as well. Oh, I also got this in that game. It's 4 in a line. Just a little game you can bring when you're traveling. I got makeup removal wipes and wet wipes, which is always good to have. I got another mini travel mirror, which could be perfect to bring. Like, this mirror is actually really good. I feel like just needed to do that. The next thing I got, I'm not doing this in any particular order, were these from Dad. I had a pair of these before. These are studio earphones, like wireless Bluetooth ones. They're like AirPods, but like not as expensive and not as fancy, but I really like them. As I said, I have had them before. I did like a sponsorship with them once, and then one of them got lost, so I wished for new ones because I literally can't live without wireless earphones, like when going to the gym or something like that, and my other earphones are broke. So I've been living without earphones for a few months, and it's been a hard time, guys. So I finally got some new ones, and these are the black ones, and honestly really recommend them. This video is not sponsored by them. I wish it was, because then my family wouldn't have to spend their coins on these for me, but I'm really grateful. I wanted black ones just because they won't get as messy and dirty. This suitcase is like in the way of my filming. Perfect. Next up, I got this perfume, which I'm so happy for. It's the black Opium perfume, and I know this has been like a well-known perfume for so long, like years and years. People have been using this, and I've always been like, oh, I really love that smell. And I've been like smelling it in the shops, and then I've been like,
I don't know.
It's just like perfume isn't really something I tend to get for myself. So I finally wished for this and I got it from my dad's girlfriend and I really love it. It just smells so, so good. She is so cute and I'm really happy with it. Really grateful for that. And I've lost my Sea perfume that I got last Christmas and that was honestly my favourite perfume. It just smells so good, but I just didn't want to wish for the same one again and I've always wanted to try this one, so happy that I got that. Next up from my dad, I've got a makeup remover from Clinique. This is Take the Day Off makeup remover for lids, lashes and lips, which is perfect and it's a really nice little size. I think I might bring this when I go traveling. I love how it's purple as well. From my mum's mum, so one of my grandmas, I got bed sheets for my bed because I need that. And I also got money from her, so thank you so much to Mormor. And then from my nanograms in England, I got this, which I wished for. It's a Topshop cardigan top thing. It looks like this. It's really hard to show, but it's black and it's got like a little bit of balloony sleeves. And then I got it in a size extra small and it fits really well. And then it's got these buttons and it's like a v-neck, but I really, really, really love it. I can link the products, some of the products that I find in this video down below if you want to check them out. But I love this top and I'm so happy. I'm gonna get a lot of use of this, like at work and stuff like that. And then from my little sister in the present game again, I got this little candle, which smells really nice actually. And it looks really nice and sleek. I don't know, it just smells really good. And I also wished for a vlog camera battery, which Dad kindly got me. And this is gonna come and use it in use so much when I'm traveling in Australia. This is a Duracell Canon battery, which is great. I'm gonna bring that along with me. I got another candle from my grandma, a green one. You can never get too many scented candles, honestly. And then I was going shopping the other day on town and I just thought I'd show you what I got, because I got this perfume that I really love the smell of and I thought I could have this one as like my everyday scent and then Black Opium as like a party going out or like nicer occasions one. So this one was on sale. It was actually on really good sale. They took the price tag off. It was like 200 krona, like £18 or something. It's Adidas. It just smells really good. It smells like quite sporty, but it's like a nice fresh everyday scent. I don't want to spray it on myself tan though, but and it's just a cute little bottle, so I got that for myself. I also got these, which I'm so grateful for. It's these mini waffles, Dutch mini waffles, and I just think they taste so nice, so thanks to Sophie, my little sister. I forgot to show you guys this, but I also got a MacBook case from my little sister, which I wished for. It's just in this like rose gold colour and I thought it was cute and nice to protect my laptop. So thank you, Sophie. So yeah, I'm really grateful for all the gifts I've got and I know Christmas isn't about the gifts. I just love Christmas because it's a time just like wind down and spend time with your family and friends and just everyone that you love and really care about. So I'm so happy. I know this video is gonna be up quite late, hopefully. Maybe it will be up before Christmas, maybe it will be up before New Year's, I don't know, because I uploaded a video today and it's Sunday, so maybe it will be up before New Year's or not, I don't know. I'll do like a little questionnaire thing on Instagram, so go follow me over there if you aren't already. I love you all so, so much and I'd love to receive video requests because I want to know what you guys want to see, because like I don't want to be moaning about subscribers and views, but like the last vlog I uploaded, I don't know if it was that vlog that made me lose so many subscribers, like honestly 100 of subscribers at least I lost. I don't know if it's YouTube like deleting inactive accounts or if it's just like everyone realizing they don't want to see my content anymore. So I'd really appreciate like, what do you guys want to see? Help a girl out, because I love YouTube and it's my favorite hobby and it's my like creative outlet and it's just what I love spending my time on. So I also want to make my viewers happy as well as me, obviously, because when you guys are happy it makes me happy. I know views and subscribers aren't everything, but like when you guys don't like what I put out there, that obviously affects me, because I want to make stuff that makes me happy but also that makes you happy. So yeah, anyway, I love you all so much. I hope you had a great Christmas and if you didn't, just know that you're not alone and I love you so much, and there are so many people out there that do care about you, and you are so strong, and 2020 is gonna hold so many blessings for you. So I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thumbnail.